Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we will see how to handle buttons in Playwright. Okay, so for that let me create another test case. So to create one test case we will use this test function. The first one will be your test title. So basically we can say handle buttons, and the next attribute will be async. Method, I will use this page test. So, and I will use this arrow function. That's it. Okay. So first we have to go to the URL page dot go to. Okay, and for that one we can use this application. I will just copy this URL. In the description I will give this URL so that it will be easy for you guys. Then I have to create the X path of these buttons. Okay, let me check. You can see the ID is input button. Let me use the tag name. Let us see what is happening. So you can see there are total 3 number of buttons are available on this page. So I have to use the attribute. I will use the ID button. ID equal to, okay, this is the button. So I will say let submit button equal to page dot locator. I will use this locator function, and I will use this XPath, and then I have to click on this submit button. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this variable submit button dot click. If you want to double click, you can use double click method, that is double click. Okay, but now we will use the single click. So basically I am commenting this line. Let us see what it is doing, and at the end what I have to do, I have to close the page. Close that page. Let's see if it is doing or not. And before, okay, let me first run this. I will put a debug point here, then debug. Okay, so now it basically clicked. Okay, so since it clicked, so basically there was a error message it pop up, and let me run it again so that it will be clear to you. And debug it now. Okay, you can see here, please fill in this field. So that message actually coming if you will hit the submit button without entering any value there. Okay, so that means it clicked on that submit button. I will just continue, and then we will come to this application, and then let us inspect this. This one is IDG button 1. Okay, let me click on this button as well. So I will say, I suppose, let refresh button equal to page dot locator, and this will be my next one. And I will first hit the refresh button, and then we will click on the submit button. Okay, let me do that. Refresh button dot click. Let us see if it is running or not. It refreshed, and then it clicked on the submit button. You can see the error actually is appearing here. So this is the way how we can click on the submit button. Okay, so basically the button is basically is something on the HTML page. If you will perform the click operation, there will be a respective action which behind the scene your backend will go. Okay, so on buttons we can only do the click operation. So that's all for today. Thank you.